Welcome to Cooking with Class Recipes. My name is Eric Fraudeau. I'm a chef. I've been a chef for 30 years, so I've been cooking a lot. With my wife, we own a cooking school in Paris for 13, 14 years now, and we also hold cooking classes in Uzès and soon to come in Seville. On this series of cooking classes that we're going to put online for you guys, we're going to use a lot of fresh vegetables. It will be fantastic for you to cook for your family. Some of them will be easy and fast and quick for quick lunch, quick dinner. Some of them will be a little bit more complicated, more sophisticated maybe, more challenging for you, but that's also the purpose, is to get to be a better cook. After you've watched the video, something you don't understand, you can always come back to it. So we're going to provide to you some recipes, some footage, a lot of things to watch on the internet. Are you interested? Do you want to cook with us?